Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to delve into the customization of HTTP settings specifically for SNI, server name indication, aiming to fortify your online security and enrich your browsing experience. Let's commence with our exploration. Commence by ensuring you've viewed our previous video on establishing a WebSocket account, a key foundation for our current tutorial. Begin by acquiring the HTTP custom app. Located in your preferred app store or directly online. Upon installation, open the app to access the central hub where all the transformations take place. One vital security enhancement is enabling SSL. Ensure your connection's security by marking the SSL box. Next, proceed to configure the SSH WebSocket settings. Input the designated server details to establish a secure connection. Navigate to the Utility section by tapping the menu icon at the top left. Locate the SNI label and select it to move forward. You will encounter a prompt requesting a valid server name indication. Input the precise SNI details before returning to the previous screen. Now, you're all prepared to link up to the VPN. Simply tap the Connect button to inaugurate your safe browsing expedition. It's merely a tap away. In essence, you've adeptly customized your HTTP settings for SNI configuration through these actions, significantly strengthening your online security and privacy. If you found this tutorial beneficial, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing for further enriching content. Thank you for joining us today.